And yet another Jaguar in this week, 3 litre XF, you guessed it. It's got a block DPF, all kinds of other fault codes, actuators on turbos and EGRs with excessive flow, etc, etc. So once again, we're coming to the end of now the Hydroflow process. You can just see the gas is being introduced by the intake. And here we have the Hydroflow machine producing its 35 litres of hydrogen gas every minute. These shouldn't be confused with some of the offerings that I'm noticing nowadays, where you have these little carbon machines stuck on top of an engine plugged into the batteries. You get what you pay for. These aren't any eBay specials. These are the best machines you can buy on the planet. Hydroflow machine produces 2,000 litres of orthoxy hydrogen, that's HHO, every hour.